Welcome to Yaskawa Europe Robotics, located in Slovenia. This is the latest infrastructure investment made by Yaskawa in Europe, a purpose-built manufacturing facility for robots and controllers to provide European customers with market-leading delivery times and increased flexibility for order fulfillment. Robot production journey starts with raw material input and automated CNC machining supported by a highly efficient and fully automated manipulating system. This system manages every single piece by stock recording, preparing components at required time, temporarily storing items, and automatically creating a priority manufacturing list for the next 96 hours. The complete building, including production workflow and details, was simulated with many planning scenarios as a digital twin model before it was made a reality. Each component passes through measuring and inspection process, which includes latest measurement technologies. Components which carry critical characteristics require precise handling to ensure all feature specifications conform with Yaskawa's global quality requirements. Components are checked, revised, organized, and monitored prior to start of assembly. Robot assembly is highly efficient and adopted for every worker. Tracking for each robot guarantees error-free production. By using RFID tags, electronic communication is established, which enables accurate recording and archiving. Every workplace is ergonomically adjustable to each worker, interactively guided, but also flexible for modifications. To complement the manipulator production, there is standard and customized controller assembly, which runs concurrently. The manipulator and controller are then paired together to create the final operable industrialized robot. The paint shop facility includes two important automated sections: robot cleaning and undercoat painting. Both operations are automated, continuously controlled by PLC and our manufacturing execution system. Finally, each robot is labeled with our Yaskawa logo, which signifies our quality and precision guarantee. Pre-shipping inspection requires the attention of multiple workers as every detail is checked at least 3 times, with recorded confirmation. To ensure high-quality products and to satisfy our customer needs, we test every single robot before it leaves the factory. To satisfy our customers' needs and to give ourselves new challenges, we are always prepared to achieve higher goals, supported with our own research and development department. To keep production highly efficient and our equipment fit for purpose, we use Global Yaskawa Manufacturing System and other parallel processes like 5S, Lean Production Way, Digital Twin, and everything based on Industry 4.0 standards. This is our new robot factory in Europe, close to our customers, efficient, and prepared for the future. It is managed based on the foundations of our iCube mechatronics, 3-dimensional digital data philosophy, an integrated, intelligent, and innovative build-to-order production system with enhanced data management and visualization methods to ensure robots are produced on time to our exact principles of manufacture every time.